Hey everyone, welcome to today's comprehensive video where we are embarking on an immersive journey into the intricacies of starting, operating, and scaling a digital marketing agency in the dynamic landscape of 2024. This isn't your average quick 8-minute tutorial. Instead, we are committing to an in-depth exploration, meticulously unpacking each element of the process. So, get ready for a deep dive into the realms of strategy, execution, and growth. Make the most of this information-rich session. Ensure you have your notebooks at the ready because we are about to navigate the nitty-gritty details of building a successful digital marketing agency from the ground up. Whether you are a seasoned professional or a newcomer to the digital marketing scene, this comprehensive guide aims to provide insights and actionable steps that will empower you on your journey to digital marketing success in the ever-evolving landscape of 2024. Setting goals and expectations. Now, before we plunge into the intricacies of building your digital marketing empire, let us lay the groundwork by addressing the pivotal aspect of setting goals and expectations. If you find yourself pondering questions about potential earnings, time investment, and required qualifications, you have landed in the perfect spot. We are poised to unveil a comprehensive blueprint that not only navigates these queries but also charts a course for you to potentially achieve a monthly income of $10,000 within a mere 90 days. What makes this journey even more compelling is the fact that this invaluable information comes to you without costing a single dime. So, whether you are a seasoned entrepreneur or just dropping your toes into the world of digital marketing, this guide is tailored to provide you with the insights and strategies you need. Stick around, the upcoming information promises to be not only enlightening but also quite possibly transformative for your entrepreneurial endeavors. Determining your industry focus. Transitioning to our second segment, let us delve into a crucial aspect that can significantly impact the success of your digital marketing venture, determining the industry in which you will truly excel. Given the plethora of marketing avenues available, pinpointing your niche is paramount. In this section, we are dedicated to guiding you through the intricate process of selecting the industry that aligns seamlessly with your strengths and passions. Whether it is the specialized realm of dentistry, the intricate world of law, or any other field that resonates with your expertise and interest, we aim to equip you with the insights and strategies necessary to carve your niche successfully. The key here is not just finding any industry, but discovering the one where your skills and enthusiasm intersect, creating a powerful foundation for your digital marketing agency's success. So, let us embark on this journey of exploration and strategic decision-making to ensure your foray into the digital marketing landscape is not only targeted but also tailored to your unique strengths and aspirations. Building your online presence. Moving on to the third pivotal section, we are immersing ourselves in the critical components of building a formidable online presence and elevating yourself to the status of an industry expert. Navigating the expansive landscape of digital marketing, understanding how to effectively market your own brand is paramount. In this segment, we will unravel a repertoire of strategies meticulously crafted to not only establish but solidify your expertise, ensuring you leave an indelible mark in the ever-evolving digital realm. As we explore these strategies, the goal is to equip you with the tools and insights necessary to not just survive but thrive in a competitive online space. Your online presence is more than a mere reflection. It is an active engagement with your audience, and we are here to guide you in creating a lasting impressions that resonates with your target audience and distinguishes you as a leader in your chosen field. So, buckle up as we navigate the intricacies of shaping a compelling digital persona that positions you as an authority in the dynamic world of digital marketing. Identifying your target clients. Entering section 4, we are now immersing ourselves in the indispensable task of identifying your target clients, a crucial determinant that can either propel your agency to new heights or present unforeseen challenges. The choice of clientele holds significant sway over the trajectory of your digital marketing venture. In this section, our objective is to guide you through a strategic and insightful process of selecting the right clients for your agency. We will delve into considerations such as industry alignment, demographics, and more, providing you with a comprehensive toolkit to navigate the nuanced landscape of client selection. recognizing that the right clients contribute not only to the financial success, but also to the overall fulfillment of your agency's mission. Our insights aim to empower you to make informed decisions that resonate with your agency's goals and values. So, join us in this exploration as we dissect the act of client identification, ensuring that the partnerships you forge are not just business transactions, but integral components of your agency's sustainable success. Building your team. As we step into Section 5, our focus shifts to the integral task of building your dream team. The question arises, do you aspire to be one-person army, or is there strategic value in exploring the possibilities of outsourcing? Determining who becomes an integral part of your team, whether they be family, friends, or industry experts, demands thoughtful consideration. In this section, our aim is to furnish you with insights that facilitate the decision-making process, helping you navigate the intricate choices involved in assembling a team that aligns with your vision for agency growth. We understand that the dynamics of your team play a pivotal role in the overall success and synergy of your digital marketing venture. Whether you are contemplating collaboration with familiar faces or seeking expertise from external sources, our insights will empower you to make informed choices that contribute to the development of cohesive and high-performing dream team. So, join us as we unravel the nuances of team building, offering guidance on how to strike the right balance for your agency's evolution. Getting your first client and scaling. In the final stretch, we arrive at Section 6, the pinnacle where the magic unfolds, acquiring your first client and orchestrating the expansion of your agency. This segment is a culmination of the insights and strategies we have explored, propelling you from the initial stages to a thriving business potentially making hundreds of thousands per month. The journey ahead is nothing short of exhilarating, and in this section, we are committed to providing you with a roadmap of growth strategies that can elevate your agency from its nascent stages to unparalleled success. As we delve into the art of securing clients and scaling operations, our guidance aims to be a compass navigating you through the dynamic landscape of client acquisition, revenue generation, and sustainable growth. Whether you are starting from zero or seeking to augment an existing agency, the knowledge shared in this section is designed to be your steadfast companion, offering insights and support every step of the way. So, buckle up for this exciting leg of the journey, where the realization of your digital marketing agency's full potential awaits. Before we plunge into the intricacies of each section, it is important to note that you have the flexibility to navigate through the content as needed. Feel free to skip around based on your preferences and priorities. And here is a friendly reminder, I am not here to sell you anything. The inherent beauty of digital marketing agencies lies in their low upfront cost, rendering them accessible to individuals from all walks of life. No hefty investments required, just a wealth of knowledge and determination. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We've got a treasure trove of marketing insights lined up and ready to be delivered straight to your digital doorstep. That's it for today. If this concept resonated with you, then stay tuned for our next video where I will introduce how to set goals and expectations for your digital marketing agency. Thank you for watching, and I will see you onto the next one.